Hi guys, so tonight I'm going to be doing a double flip cup canvas. I'm going to be using these mix of dark and bright colors. I was watching the YouTube channel Pour Your Heart Out last night, and she had mentioned doing a painting with pinks and grays, and I was like, I like that idea, but I also decided I wanted to add some purples and blues and, you know, other colors. So for the white, I'm using this Sargent Art titanium white. This you can find at Walmart in the craft section. It's like $4 for this 16-ounce bottle. And then the purple is Folk Art Color Shift Purple Flash. I'm hoping this does something cool. And this, the gray, not silver, gray, is Apple Barrel Granite Gray. And I actually took this color and then added 3 drops of black because I wanted the gray to be just a touch darker. The blue is Americana True Blue. I had this bottle for ages. I don't know where it came from. I don't know how long I've had it, but it's getting to the end of its life. It's getting chunky. The pink is Candy Pink by Apple Barrel. And then the black is, again, this Sargent Art brand in Ivory Black. So, the pouring medium, I'm actually taking a note from the Pour Your Heart Out channel and using half and half Elmer's glue to water, and then 1 part paint to 1 part of the pouring medium. So let's see how it goes. I don't think I'm actually going to torch this. I'm not crazy about cells. I can really take them or leave them. But here are the cups. So my idea is this cup I'm going to put the paints in from right to left out of this lineup. And then this cup, I'm going to do them left to right. And then hopefully when I flip them and pour them out, I get something kind of cool. But we'll see. I'm going to do 1 cup at a time because I feel like it's going to get messy if I try to do both. So, yeah, we know how this goes. I flip. I've never done it this way, so hopefully I don't, you know, splatter it all over the place. That would not be cool. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, flip. Ooh, that wasn't so hard. Okay. 3. That's a 1. 3, 2, 1, flip. Alright, not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I still have a lot of paint left over. Alright. Let those just sit for a minute. I didn't add any silicone to these because, like I said, I could really take or leave the cells. I will probably get some because I just mixed them and they have air bubbles, but I would like to avoid what I can, I think. All right. So, what am I gonna do? I just shot that all over. So see, like I said, definitely getting some cells on their own because I just mixed them. Get your edges and corners. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for a few minutes and then I will bring you in for a close-up and that'll be the end of the video. Okay, so I'm back. When I wrapped up my video last night, I was staring at this and I'm like, I don't really like it. I thought I did, but then I didn't. So I decided to tilt and stretch some more, and I'm actually much happier with this outcome. So the edges are pretty dry already, but the middle is still very wet, so I won't be touching that. But yeah, I figured I would just give you a little peek at what I did. I didn't want to end the video on something that I wasn't happy with and that ultimately I ended up changing. So I'll go in and do another close-up, and yeah, that'll be that. And so yeah, as I said last night, I thought my paints were a little thin, and I think I can confirm that because as it's drying, I can see the texture of the canvas pretty well, which, I mean, it's fine. So ultimately, I will end up putting a coat of resin on top of this, and it'll look nice. I do like the way the paint's blended together a little more when I stretched it. It'll look good. If you enjoyed this, please give my channel a like, share, subscribe, whatever you feel like doing. I'd really appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.